Listen here, I'm about to make some folks real mad with this here video, but why are you guys out here making people think that they can charge $10,000 to $20,000 for a real estate investing course and they only have 3 to 5 years of experience in the game? Ma'am, sir, no. I've been in real estate investing for 24 years, not part-time, not dipping in and out. This has been my bread and butter, my full-time job. I've seen everything and still standing type of experience. I've done flipping, rehabbing, wholesaling, new construction, project management, you name it, I've done it. Now, I'm not here to toot my own horn, but beep beep, okay? Because, listen here, I'm getting ready to share some real, true, free game to you guys, okay? If you're serious about investing in real estate, start talking to folks, family member, friends, your cousin's cousin. Talk to everybody. Anybody that'll listen to you, talk to them. Get you a little 2-minute pitch together, and everybody that'll listen to you, talk to them, give them that 2-minute pitch. After so long, people start thinking you're the expert. If that doesn't work, then just start targeting for sale by owners, empty nesters, out-of-state owners, pre-foreclosure, foreclosures. And hey, before you know it, you'll have plenty of properties to work with. Now, I like to have people to make money before they start spending too much money. So, you ask, how do you find these properties? There are apps out there now that gives you zip code, city, states, all the information you need. I have a compiled list right now of over 25,000 leads sitting, chilling in my inbox right now from the current application that I'm using. So it's doable. And like I said, just get out there and do it. Just do it. Once you start doing it, you're going to get familiar with the process. You're going to get comfortable with talking to people. You're going to learn the industry. It's just like with anything else. Practice makes perfect, okay? Drive around, find new routes to take on your way home, to and from home. Find routes to take that you've never taken before, or find routes that you may have taken before and you know it's an area that may have a lot of distressed properties. You're looking for high grass, boarded up homes, dilapidated cars in the front driveway. The home is in bad condition. Those are all signs of a distressed home and or a distressed seller. So, I'm going to say homeowner because we don't know yet if they're a seller. So, with that being said, start networking. Start talking to other investors in your area. Start compiling a list of buyers. As you're talking and networking, you're going to find out who the real players are, who's out here buying for cash, who can close quickly. That's going to be considered your buyer's list. Compile that list. Once you get a deal under contract, at that time, once you're at that magic number where you can at least squeeze anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 out of the deal as your profit, then cha-ching. That's all you need. We're not trying to be greedy on these first couple of deals. We're just trying to get your feet wet. We're trying to get some wins under your belt. We're trying to get you motivated and going. I've made as much as $120,000 on a deal, but we'll save that story for another day, okay? Right now, once again, I just want you guys to get out there, get going, and just get the confidence you need to move forward because, once again, it's doable. So let's get out here. Let's do it. Let's challenge. The next 30 to 60 days is all about compiling a list of homes that you find. Get on some of these different applications that offer the information. I'll be more than happy to share what app I'm currently using to locate distressed owners. And I don't have a problem with sharing. Sharing is caring. And so on the next video, or maybe a little bit, at some point, I will do a video talking about the current application that I'm using to get these different leads. And so that will help you as well. But for now, if you just get out there and you get going, you're gonna get comfortable doing it, you're gonna get motivated, and you're gonna see it's all doable. So let's get it. Let's put the pedal to the metal, and let's get out here and let's make it happen, okay? So I'll see you guys on the next video.